Are you ready?
Shut up and sit down.
안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 데이브 선생님입니다. Today is Fun Friday. So let's do something a little bit different. Let's have a competition. In this video, you are going to hear 5 movie OST audio clips. The first person to email me the names of the movies will receive a small prize. Email your answers to davesenglish@naver.com and the winner's Naver ID will be announced on my blog on Monday. Remember, I want the names of the movies, not the names of the songs. Good luck! Thanks for watching.
Shut up and sit down.